What is up, guys? North Digital Assets coming at you with another video. In this video, we're going to cover API3, the most bullish chart in all of crypto. Now, I do understand there's like 17,000 different cryptos, and there might be some that are parabolic or vertical. You have meme coins, and you have all these other coins. But as far as a fundamental coin like this that is on the major exchanges that's been around for a little bit of time, API3 is one of the most bullish charts of all of crypto right now, and I'm going to show you why. And I have some old videos on this coin. It's currently sitting at $6.84. I talked about it going to $34 for a while in some of my old videos. We're going to show some pretty cool confluence on that too. And we'll try to show some dollar cost averaging areas to get in. Obviously, I got into this coin at like $2.50. I got into this coin a while ago and had been talking about it. I've also been staking it for a while, so obviously you want to get in lower points somewhere. The points lower in this horizontal. But anyways, this is the weekly chart here. This is what the horizontal triangle is drawn off of. You have these supports, you have these weekly closes. That's why the candle bodies, you have the weekly closes all throughout here. Obviously, we just broke out of the horizontal and we are now up here. So one thing here, very bullish here, is this is rare here for a coin, and this is what you want. That is the best time to buy, one of the best times to buy, and then just wait for a while if you're going to be a holder is when you get the green line crossing over the red line, okay? So typically though, you don't want to buy this massive green candle. You don't want to buy way up here or buy way up here, okay? You want to buy if it corrects back down and it finds support on that line and then gets going, something like that. But very bullish. This horizontal is drawn off the weekly. Let's go to the daily now, and I'll show you why this is the most bullish chart in all of crypto. While crypto is flat, not doing a whole lot, while a lot of crypto is under a death cross on the daily, we're on the daily now, you have this massive, here it is right here, buy signal here where the green comes over the red, and that just happened on February 17th. Not only that, look at the trajectory of this green line here, okay? If you look at the angle mark here, this line is roughly at a trajectory of 65 degrees, okay? With 90 degrees being as straight up and down as you can be, the most parabolic straight up and down. So this is around 65 degrees or so, give or take. Not too far away from 90. It's pretty straight up and down here. We're not at like a 40-degree angle where we're still going up. We're at a pretty steep trajectory here. As far as entry points, okay, if you wanted to, I'm not saying to go buy this coin because we could come back into this triangle. That's possible before breaking out again. But right now, this here is extremely bullish. There's the buy signal. The angle of this is extremely bullish, and I have targets up higher. We also have these wicks here. Wicks up to almost $10 that just happened on February 19th. Okay, so typically when you get these wicks here, later these wicks will be filled with candle bodies, with the actual thick body of the candle. So we will see price action in waveforms moving up towards this $10. And in the not so distant future, I believe it'll be sooner than later where we actually fill these with candle bodies up towards $10. Okay, so that is very bullish there. Let's go back to the weekly really quick. Back to the weekly. So we broke out of this horizontal. So as far as areas where you could buy, it could be where we're looking here is on the back test of support. If we see this high $5, $5.80, $5.75, that would be an area to dollar cost average in if you don't already have API3. API3 might become extremely bullish. We have Kevin Cage talking about it here. Some observations. It's a symmetrical triangle breakout after 300 plus days under an all-time high price. Chainlink and Quant were very similar years ago. And the thing about this is Chainlink and Quant were two of the most explosive running cryptos we'd ever seen when they went on these massive runs. And API3 is looking similar here. So we have this symmetrical triangle that I just drew out, and then you break out. He has it on the daily here, and you have the breakout of a symmetrical 300 days, 324 bars here, days. So interesting there. And then also when you scroll down here, he breaks it down further and he compares it to a link chart, link on the 2-day, API3 on the 1-day. You're in this symmetrical triangle, you break out. Where did link go? Where did link go? This is kind of crazy. Link comes all the way up here, and it comes to this 34 line eventually. What does it do before that, though? Before that, it comes here to the 3618, okay? Look at this. Link breaks this triangle. Link comes up, hits the 3618 fib. This is linear, by the way. It's a little different than what I'm doing. But it hits the 3618, comes back down, hits the 3618 again, comes back down, and then comes up and breaks the 3618 on the third try. Where is the 3618 on API3? The 3618 right here, $34. Ironically, I don't even use these linear fibs. My stuff is all set on log, and I use different settings. But ironically, I have old videos, and I was talking about this 34 months ago, okay? So very interesting confluence there, and you can see when it explodes up. Is API3 starting to give the game away for what is to come for the rest of the crypto market? I'm not sure, but we will wait and see. API3 and DAG and some of these other coins have run out early before the rest of the market, and they were front runners, and then the rest of the market, including Bitcoin and other coins, started to become bullish and started to move again. So in the shorter term here, we have this swing low, and we have these swing highs that are, I believe they're about, let's see, 80 days apart roughly, around 80 days apart. So just locally, I believe we are looking at a movement towards these wicks, $10, $11, the 1618. We'll have to wait and see on that. But overall, where is the $34 coming from? Well, let me get rid of this here. And what I was doing in the past is the overall swing high and swing low. So swing high, swing low, fib that. Let me grab the fib tool here. And when you set it here and you drag it and you set it there, the 1618 that we talked about in these old videos, $33.88. Okay, so that's the $34. Okay, and if we come back here, he has the same thing here. Link, similar pattern. Link comes up, hits the 3618 golden ratio, coming into these golden levels, 3618 down, 3618 back down, and then it breaks it, okay? The 3618 for API3 here, on his chart here, the 3618 is $34, okay? Is that next for API3? Let's wait and see. And this was a swift movement. I don't know that that's going to happen, but this was a swift movement for Link. Bitcoin is a little flat right now. It's trying to finish wave 4, I believe, and start wave 5 of Elliott wave theory, which is the last and final wave. So we'll wait and see. He talks about here, API3 compared to early Link chart, both break out from triangle. Link was under all-time high for 500 days before exploding. Both ride the 0.236 before breakout. Link reaches full 34 extension like Quant. I believe API3 can also reach XX and XXX digits in the coming years, only 1 year old. Now, if we click this, what is the 34 for API3? The 34 is $315 if it did what Link did. 34, $315, okay? We're currently at $678, so if it does go to $300 or so, don't say I didn't tell you so, but I have been releasing videos on API3 for a little while now. I have some older videos if you want to view those when the prices were much lower. There's some movement up right now, but like I said, if I reset this and we look here, this is one of the most bullish charts in all of crypto. You have this buy signal on the daily. Most cryptos right now are the exact opposite of this. They have the green crossing the red going down, and they're trying to avoid a weekly bearish cross, yet API3 has this cross here. API3, if we come here, API3, $6.94, small market cap, 250 million only. It can 4x, which would take it to, you'd have $7 times 4, you'd take it to $28. It can 4x before it even looks at the top 100, which would be a billion market cap, okay? This is what API3's done in the last month. In the last month, the start of February, bounced around at $3. It's safe to say, you know, we're bouncing at $3 at the start of February. The value of my API3 has doubled, obviously, because we shot up all the way almost to 10, came back down, and now we're forming somewhat of another consolidation before another movement up, probably just letting the EMAs catch up a little. So right now, the 20 EMA, the green line, is right here on the top of the triangle, which is $5.70. If you saw something like that and we get the bounce, that could be an entry point if you're interested in it. We could also still roll back down a little bit. Well, we'll see. This is extremely bullish. So we'll just have to wait and see. I'm happy I got my coins a little earlier, and it's still really early on API3. The price is high because there's not that many coins. But when you actually look at the market cap, it's only 250 million. So pretty early on API3. Also, API3 here. Who's following API3? The king of Cardano, Charles Hoskinson, is following API3's page. And API3's page here, only 40,000 followers, yet there are many scam coins with over 100,000, 200,000 followers. They either have no utility at all, or they're a video game coin, or just some random crap coin, and there's 5 times the followers. So very early for API3. A lot of people have never even heard of it. No big channels are really talking about it yet. So have that going for it. API3 actually has real fundamentals. So Kevin Cage, he does a lot of research on this too, and you can also read some of the white papers and some of the roadmap on API3 and decide for yourself. But anyways, guys, that is going to be it for this video. I see some good movement for API3 right now, one of the most bullish charts in all of crypto, and we will continue to cover this coin, especially if it goes on a run, anything like Link or Quant did. Very interesting, guys, very interesting. Let's see what happens here. Anyways, that's gonna be it for this video. Like and subscribe, smash up the like button, leave a comment if you have API3 or you're interested in getting into API3. Look for those support lines around $5.70 if you are interested in it. I wouldn't buy massive green candles because you will be coming back down. There will be probably cheaper entry points, but you never know. This is crypto, very, very volatile market. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video. See ya.